Those lips look so good. I know that
All-Stars receives a one-year supply of Anastasia.
we made a good decision.
It's spot in the Drag Race Hall of Fame and a cash prize of $100,000. Oh, honey. That's how I roll.
That is such a
waste. That would have killed if someone was here. I'm Trixie Mattel, and I am the crownless drag superstar from season 7.
Okay,
I came here to eclipse people with my talent.
This is my first video in
It's like a Morgan Michaels meet and
a
greet.
long time.
I feel like in the real world, I've been a real all-star.
And we're gonna record me doing a Valentine's Day sort of look for a photo shoot that you and I
need to make amends for the fact that I came in here
2-year adoptiversary. And while that's happening, we're trying to watch the Drag Race All-Stars 3 season, except for it's not loading, so we'll see if we can watch that. Alright, let's see. First step, primer. Because even though I'm not even going outside, but this has SPF in it.
My name is Morgan McMichaels. I'm from Houston. I'm here to rock it.
Oh, Morgan McMichaels.
You can't kill evil that easy.
She's got a real nose for fashion. Hello. Thinking about wearing facial hair. Hope you're packed.
I also got this holographic foam stuff from Sephora to put in my hair. It makes it pink
She was cover girl.
and glittery.
Morgan being
I think I'm into it. It's called FOMO.
She's probably the only girl that works 7 days a week.
I got it in pink and I got it in blue. Lately I've been doing my eyebrows first because I haven't been wearing that much foundation. So we will definitely do that.
Did it just get swampy in here? I'm Chi-Chi Devine, and y'all girls better get ready.
I'm still hella using this NYX Total Control. It's really good. I just can use a few drops and I can use a little bit, or I can use a lot to do full coverage.
Something like this.
You don't need money, girl. That's never an excuse.
And let's see. So I've been hella stuck on the Fenty Beauty contour stick, and I got the one in amber because it's the only one that's like dark and like cool tone, because I just don't want to add any extra warmth to my skin, but I really like the color a lot. It's good. I really like their stuff because I can't use Rihanna's foundation because I'm just like way too fucking dry for it. Like, this is not happening. And if I wore concealer at all, I would use her concealer sticks, but concealer matchsticks, I guess is what they're called. Just gonna set my contour with, I'm still using the Lorac Pro palette, and I pretty much always even use deep and medium forever.
Please shut up. An issue I dealt with on season 8 is that I'm constantly distracted by everything, but I think 50% of it was just because Bob never shuts up. And since the show, I found ways.
Gonna use some. I love these LA colors. They're actually super pigmented and they're really perfect for what I use them for. And they have so cheap. I'm just using the Cover FX highlighter drops in Celestial.
The Bob Show. Okay, girl, ain't no Bob here. Let's see what you got. Is this yours? Yeah. Can I try this? That's what you should have done. Can I have this? Miss Storgy Store. Made top 4? You did. My name is Chip.
I know lots of other videos that I've made, everyone is always like, Rachel, why don't you talk more in your videos? And I'm like, because I'm so awkward and annoying and half not paying attention to anything I do. Thought everyone would hate
One day.
trying to listen to me talk, but if you want it, I'll fucking do it, dude.
In Alaska, maybe make room for me in that Hall of Fame.
So there's our 2 season 2s.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's do some more season 5, girl.
Rude's back here trying to puke on my couch. Oh, they just announced BB coming back. I know it's unpopular opinion, but I don't think that she should be back because she already won. Like, I get that she was in the beginning and she didn't get that much good shit, but sorry.
She already went. I already did her.
She already did her.
2009 was a.
I mean, I get it. I totally get it. Like, it was from a long time ago. Everything Rue says is true, but like, you already did it. It's not our fault. You should have waited to apply for the fucking show.
She's already had the credit.
I mean, okay, so obviously I haven't watched her compete yet in this episode, but she better turn it out for every single thing because she's already won. Ugh, yeah, okay. I'm like, oh, why do I never wear eyelashes? They look so fucking good. Alright, so let me leave that. While that's setting, I'm gonna put some glitter. Glitter on the inside of my eyes. I got this glitter particularly from the Shine Shack. Their shit's really beautiful. They have this like clear iridescent color I'm like obsessed with. Alright, okay, so I've been doing this new really cute lip where it's basically almost nothing. I just do like a little bit of lip liner, and then I put some like of this ColourPop's blotted lip stuff in the middle, and then put a little bit of lip gloss, and it looks so nice and soft, and it doesn't come off all day long, and it's like a million times better than matte lips right now. Wait, are they really opening the library on the very first episode? What the fuck? Okay, so let me just do a couple of finishing touches, and then I think my makeup will be done. So.
I like it.
Okay, so here's my face for my shoot. Also, this holographic foam kind of makes my hair look actually pink, and I kind of love it, even though really I want to dye my hair like a baby blue.
Only queen turn till the
Hey, you want to be in my video? She got a blowout today because we're doing a picture. Yeah, we're doing a picture together. And she's almost 2 years adopted. Look. She can't even see anything. Rue. She's way fuck cute.
Gorgeous, you look like Seal.